Project Pegasus is a term that has been associated with various conspiracy theories and claims related to time travel and teleportation. According to these theories, Project Pegasus was a classified government program that allegedly developed and utilized advanced technologies to achieve time travel and teleportation capabilities. The origin of the term, Project Pegasus, can be traced back to the claims made by Andrew Basiago, a lawyer and self-proclaimed whistleblower. Basiago has asserted that as a child participant in a program called Project Pegasus, he was involved in time travel experiments conducted by the United States government in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Basiago's accounts include claims of being sent to various historical events and even to Mars through teleportation and time travel devices. He has also stated that other prominent figures, including Barack Obama, were participants in Project Pegasus during their childhood. It is important to note that the claims made by Andrew Basiago and others associated with Project Pegasus are highly controversial and lacking in substantial evidence. The existence of such a government project involving time travel and teleportation has not been independently verified or supported by any credible sources or documentation. Many skeptics dismiss the claims of Project Pegasus as being part of a hoax, misinterpretation, or an attempt to gain attention. The scientific community generally considers time travel and teleportation as speculative concepts that are far beyond our current technological capabilities. In summary, Project Pegasus refers to a set of conspiracy theories and claims related to time travel and teleportation, primarily associated with the accounts of Andrew Basiago. However, the credibility and evidence supporting these claims are highly questionable, and they remain widely regarded as pseudoscience or fictional narratives.